Hello, today I'm going to talk about a module called MDFile Recent. The MDFile Recent is a module that helps you to display recent uploaded files in list format. You can set the result in either list or in a picture. As you can see, our recent installed files list here in an order. For the displaying number, we can adjust here in Joomla. In Limit Documents, we can set the maximum number of files to show. And here, the module shows the latest uploaded file. If you click the link, it brings you to the file. You can easily download here. So that's all about the MDFile Recent module. Okay, and see you next time. Goodbye.